century, because of information technology, the world has become just like a village. The village has become a condensed world. I am SUBA KAWIN from 7th standard. I have come here to say a few words about the global village. A family is constructed by a group of members, and the village is constructed by a group of families. Similarly, the country is made up of many states. The world is viewed as a community in which distance and isolation have been dramatically reduced by the electronic media, such as television and the internet. To measure whether our country has grown or not, we must calculate the quality of the village. For the people, whoever is living in the metropolitan cities, everything is easily available, such as best quality goods, high-speed internet, frequent road transport facility, air transport facility, more employment opportunity, and the beautiful lifestyle. Nowadays, the government tries to globalize the village. As a consequence, we can do more things from the village, like study through online from the village, talk anywhere through the internet from the village, buy from needle to air ticket from the village through the online shopping. To more strengthening the village, we must lay the road and connect the village to the nearby town. That must help to market the things, whatever the farmers harvest. It also motivates the investors to start the new companies in the village. That helps to get rid of unemployment. Nowadays, in India, all the villages are getting globalized. Very soon, we may see a globalized world in a small village. We are proud to live in such a global village. Thank you for giving me this great opportunity.